Hello, welcome to Joyce's Kitchen. Today we are going to cook Chinese okra with egg. And this is Chinese okra. See, we are going to use this peeler and then peel the skin. We can cut it half first so it's easier to peel. It's very soft to cut. Now, these are the Chinese okra that has been peeled and washed. I'm going to cut them into pieces. So, I'm going to slice like this, sideways. Okay, and put it in a plate. I'm going to put it in this bowl for later use. And this one too, cut it in sideways. Chinese okra is a very nutritious melon. It contains a lot of vitamin C. Now, it has all been cut. I'm going to put it aside. And then we are going to prepare egg. And these are the 2 eggs. I'm going to crack the egg. And then we need to beat the egg. We are going to beat for about half a minute until everything is evenly distributed. And this is the wok and the spatula. And I'm going to turn on the heat. The heat is already on. And these are the egg and the Chinese okra that we are going to cook. Let the wok heat up first. We are going to put 1 teaspoon of oil into the wok. And add a little bit of shallot and stir fry a little bit. And now you can add the Chinese okra in there. And also a little bit less than a little bit less than quarter teaspoon of salt. Maybe. Okay, that's enough. Not the whole thing. It's about half of it. And then keep on stirring. Now we can smell it. We can smell the sweetness of the Chinese okra. In order for it to cook a little bit faster, I'm going to cover it a little bit. At the same time, we need to stir it from time to time so it won't get burned. Now we can see that the Chinese okra is a little bit soft. We will add the egg inside. We will let the egg become solid, a little bit solid, then we'll turn. Now we can turn. Now it's almost done. I'm going to get a plate. Now this is done. We'll turn off the heat. This is the Chinese okra dish with egg that we just cooked. It tastes very, very good. Hope you enjoy tonight's dinner. Bye-bye.